case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2012, a credit dispute took center stage in the Supreme Court of the United States during the hearing of CompuCredit Corp. v. Greenwood. The plaintiffs had filed a class action lawsuit alleging that the defendants, a credit repair organization, had misled them and charged excessive fees in violation of the Credit Repair Organizations Act, CROA. Traditionally, a signed arbitration agreement would land such disputes outside courtrooms. However, the lower courts, including the District Court and the United States Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit, brushed this point aside. They instead insisted that claims relating to the CROA intended to protect consumers from fraudulent credit repair activities were too significant to be handled within the confines of an arbitration clause. This decision led to an appeal that found its way to the Supreme Court. In an important judgment, the Supreme Court reversed the lower court decisions. The court ruled that the CROA, while protective, did not prohibit arbitration outright. The Federal Arbitration Act, responsible for enforcing arbitration agreements, carried sufficient weight to override. Essential to this decision was the Supreme Court's assertion that an automatic right for consumers to bring an action in court was not created by the civil liability provision of the CROA. The case was returned for further proceedings in accordance with the Supreme Court's opinion, and the ruling also included a note on consumers' rights under the CROA. Consumers were entitled to access their credit reports, sue deceptive credit repair companies, and dispute inaccuracies in their records. Furthermore, the verdict pinned clear obligations onto credit repair organizations. They were directed to store a consumer's statement for 2 years, past the signature date. Any failure to do so risked heavy consequences. The liability would consider the frequency and persistence of non-compliance, the extent of intentionality, and the impact on affected consumers, among other factors.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.